push from peer could protect students from overdosing while in school. Good evening. South Dakota lawmakers could soon make it easier for schools to stock the overdose antidote, Narcan.
The goal is to protect students from the deadly effects of taking opioids. As KELOLAND's Perry Groten reports, current state law does not make clear what is and what isn't allowed when it comes to treating overdoses in school.
South Dakota law already allows first responders, like school resource officers, to carry and administer Narcan to reverse the effects of patients experiencing an opioid overdose. There's also a section of the law that allows a relative, friend, or other close third party to administer the antidote.
Well, as a parent and a grandparent, I see this as saving my child or my grandchild's life.
State Senator Jim Stalzer co-sponsored the bill addressing drug and alcohol abuse, which became state law. He says the bill was intended to allow school nurses to give Narcan to students. But some schools say there's too much gray area in the law as to whether a school nurse qualifies as a close third party. Equipping schools with Narcan is a discussion going on among districts across the country, including Sioux Falls Public Schools.
I feel like it's definitely a conversation that we have had, just knowing that nationwide there are issues and that certain states have allowed that Narcan to be stocked in their schools. It's something that we talked about, and we talked about how would students have access to that.
The Sioux Falls School District says it's comfortable with school resource officers being equipped with Narcan in case of an overdose involving students. Senator Stalzer says he plans to introduce a bill to further clarify who can administer the potentially life-saving antidote.
We may need to bring a minor modification to the law to make sure that a school nurse would be covered if they were to use it or give it.
In Sioux Falls, Perry Groten, KELOLAND News.
Tonight at 10, we'll hear from a Sioux Falls school resource officer about the importance of being equipped with Narcan, coming up on tonight's Eye on KELOLAND.